Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Stellar cryptocurrency from Bitmart to XMO in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just switching exchanges, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Bitmart and XMO. Two-factor authentication is a must to protect your assets, don't skip that. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head straight to the Wallet or Assets section and locate your Stellar balance. It's usually easy to find with a quick search. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw option next to Stellar. You'll need to enter your XMO wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any costly mistakes. Copy it directly from your XMO account for accuracy. Step 3. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs first. In 2025, expect faster Stellar network updates that could reduce wait times. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Take a moment to verify everything before hitting submit. Once done, the transfer should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 5. Jump over to your XMO account and check your wallet. Your Stellar should appear shortly, refresh if needed. Pro tip: keep an eye on any 2025 specific updates from Bitmart or XMO, as interfaces might change. Always use secure connections and never share your private keys. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Stellar from Bitmart to XMO. If you run into any issues, the exchange's support teams are usually helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.